Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Jet Zone Mix. Today, we are exploring the Hermes 450, an advanced tactical unmanned aerial vehicle that has made a mark in modern military operations due to its versatility, reliability, and technological sophistication. The Hermes 450 is designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, offering a combination of endurance, precision, and adaptability that sets it apart from other UAVs in its class. The exterior of the Hermes 450 is sleek and aerodynamically optimized for long-duration flights. Its wingspan is broad, supporting its remarkable endurance while maintaining stability even in challenging weather conditions. The fuselage and wings are constructed from lightweight composite materials, which provide both strength and resilience without compromising agility. The design emphasizes modularity, allowing quick maintenance and easy replacement of key components, which is crucial for rapid deployment in field operations. The UAV's landing gear is robust, designed to handle rough terrain during takeoff and landing, making it versatile for various operational environments. The interior of the Hermes 450 is compact but highly efficient. Despite limited space, it houses sophisticated avionics, navigation, and communication systems that allow for real-time data transmission and precise control. The internal systems are designed for seamless integration with ground control stations, ensuring operators can monitor and manage missions effectively. Although not spacious, the interior is engineered to optimize every inch for operational functionality and reliability. Performance is one of the most impressive aspects of the Hermes 450. It has an endurance of up to 17 hours under optimal conditions, with a cruising speed ranging between 100 and 130 km per hour. The UAV can reach operational altitudes of around 5,500 meters, giving it an advantage in both surveillance range and stealth. Its payload capacity is versatile, allowing it to carry cameras, sensors, and tactical equipment depending on mission requirements. This adaptability makes the Hermes 450 ideal for reconnaissance, surveillance, target acquisition, and even intelligence gathering missions over extended periods. Safety features are critical for unmanned systems, and the Hermes 450 includes several redundancies in its critical systems to ensure operational reliability. Automated takeoff and landing reduce human error during crucial phases, while real-time telemetry provides continuous monitoring of the UAV's status. These safety measures help prevent operational failures and ensure mission success, even in unpredictable conditions. One of the unique selling points of the Hermes 450 is its adaptability and modularity. It can operate effectively during both day and night using advanced optical and infrared sensors. The UAV's modular payload system allows operators to reconfigure it for different mission types in a short period, making it extremely flexible. Its endurance, reliability in adverse weather, and capacity to carry diverse payloads make it a standout choice for military forces worldwide. In terms of price, the Hermes 450 is considered a high-value investment. The cost varies depending on configuration and payload requirements but typically reaches several $1 million. Despite the high cost, its operational efficiency, extended endurance, and advanced technology make it a worthwhile asset for countries and organizations requiring a reliable tactical UAV. Overall, the Hermes 450 combines cutting-edge technology with practical design, providing an exceptional solution for modern military needs. Its aerodynamic exterior, compact yet functional interior, strong performance metrics, and robust safety features make it a dependable tool for reconnaissance and surveillance missions. The UAV's flexibility, endurance, and reliability set it apart from many competitors, making it a vital asset for intelligence and tactical operations. With its modular design and advanced capabilities, the Hermes 450 continues to be a leading choice for forces looking to enhance their aerial surveillance and operational efficiency.